everyone, today I will who I am. Everyone has his strengths and these are mine. Okay, let's start. First I am responsible. I make sure that I finish my schoolwork and do my responsibilities at home. Being as responsible helps me earn the trust of others. Second, I am persevering when I find my assignment difficult. I don't give up easily. I keep working until I finish them well. Lastly, I am kind. I respect other people and I always try to help whenever I can. This strength defines who I am. I know I'm not perfect, but every day I choose to become a better person. Thank you for watching.